It is pouring out here this morning, and we can kind of tell that sledding season is slowly winding down. There's not a single sledder here at the Big Eddy gas station this morning. I've been sitting here for about 5 minutes just enjoying my breakfast sandwich, and it's quiet. We've got the receipts piling up. The YouTube videos are slowly winding down. Lots of people still watching, but you know, it's that time of year. People are kind of over winter. I'm gonna be riding for about 2 more weeks, but I think there'll be about 5 days where I don't post a video because I'm gonna save up some videos for the fall. You know, in the fall, people are itching for riding content, and there's not anybody making any because, you know, there's no snow, and usually I don't start riding till January, so that's the plan. But today we're getting out there with Johnny and Dawson again, and like I said, it's pouring rain out here, so hopefully it's deep. 1,400 meters now. I think it's gonna be a burning fuel type of day. Track poaching coming up here, following that 165 boost. Uh-oh. I hear my belt warning going off. That didn't take long. Woo!
Into a creek wall, but I think I'm out now, so I'll try to get to where you guys are.
It was a rather good grunt to get up to where we are. We're just chilling now, letting some belts cool.
We've done exactly 13 kilometers from the truck. See if you could take 13 liters for 13 kilometers.
Let's hope not.
Yeah, I hope not. Can hear that NA down there just going back and forth, back and forth. I don't know if he's making any ground.
Not quite.
Not all of it?
Not quite. There's not a ton left though.
A liter?
A couple liters.
It is coming down. Are we gonna see him now? Hear him? Sounds like he's right there. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's coming now. Getting there.
Time for him to build another turnaround.
Yeah. Good turnaround spot right there.
Need 5? Oh. I'm dead. Your belt's probably dead too.
Well, we got another stormy day here. We didn't really get the snow we were supposed to last night, but we're getting some now. +3 in the valley this morning. Snow line was around 1,200 meters, and the freezing line is probably around 15, maybe 1,600 meters. We're around 16, 17 now, and the snow is still pretty heavy, but it's good. We're gonna have a good day in here. Uh-oh.
Oh,
I can't see anything. This is some pretty sweet terrain in here. Really like it. Oh! I think there's a hole there.
Yeah, just a touch. You know, I can't really see once my goggles are covered in snow.
Yeah, the snow does not blow off the goggles today. Might take me a second to get back uphill now. It's good up here today, man. And we're up high enough now that it's fluffy again too. Still sticks to you a bit. Oh my god. Not even close to climbing Dawson's line. I don't know how he got up that the first shot. Oh man. What do you think?
that's pretty good.
Yeah. It's going nowhere. How did Dawson get up this? Uh-oh, can't see. is my deepest day in like since January almost. Has it burnt the grilled cheese on the muff pot or panini press? Got some more pogos here. Ooh, toasty. Give it a little flip for a minute. A little charred?
A little bit, but it's still so good.
Jesus. I got a little warm today. I was gonna hit that pillow. Well guys, it looks like we're working our way out of here early. Dawson is having some sled issues, but we're already down to 2 bars of gas anyway, so that's all right. We thought about heading back up, but by the time we get back, it's probably gonna be later in the day anyway. Even though it's a bit of a shorter day here, I'm sure you guys can tell by my excitement in the video throughout the day that it's a pretty damn good one. Okay, there's a big pillow right there. Maybe we could jump from the small one to the big one and over. What do you think? That would have been a good one too. Oh, look at that one. That's cool. I got my D8 dozer here today. Look at all the snow I'm pushing. Since we're back so early today, we'll do a few things. Number one being top up my brake fluid on the truck because we have a very slow leak. Next up, we'll head over to Full Speed Rentals and we'll see if they have a finger throttle for the 146 there, because Nick broke it the other day. But yeah, we're not going to take the 146 out like tomorrow, say, but you know, I want to take it out before the year's over for sure. I think Full Speed Rentals is doing 10% off sled rentals right now too. Well, we got the finger throttle on the 146, and if you've been following for a while, you've probably noticed that the 146 hasn't had headlights since the start of last year. Finally fixed the headlights. Maybe we'll take the 146 out tomorrow in the deep and try and keep up with Dawson on the 165 turbo. I think that'd be a pretty fun challenge. It's already hard enough keeping up with him on the 154 turbo, so this should be even funnier. Listen to it rain out here. That's exciting. I bet it's snowing pretty hard up top.